Hey guys, this is Sutapa. If you're new to my channel, then hi guys. This is Sutapa, and we talk about the best skincare product in every budget possible, starting from under rupees 100. So if you're interested in skincare product and if you want to have that very best skincare product in your budget, then definitely you should come and visit my channel more and more, cause I try to bring out every skincare product which are under every budget. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. When I do my research, I try to find out the best product in every budget possible. So definitely this time also I found out the best moisturizers out there in the market which are under rupees 100. Though I didn't find many, but still they are the best. Okay, for the first one I have this Lactocalamine Daily Face Care Lotion. Oil Balance Kaolin Clay Therapy absorbs excess oil for oily skin. This has got kaolin clay, zinc oxide, glycerin. Now these three ingredients are very good. You know, glycerin helps to moisturize the skin. Kaolin clay really absorbs that excess oil from your skin, plus do not clog your pores. And zinc oxide really helps in sun damage. So these are the three ingredients which are really good. And plus this is an evergreen product, dude. Like I have been seeing this product since I don't even know. I have seen this product, especially in my mom's dressing table. She uses this product, and this product she's also using this one too. Cause actually I bought this one for myself too. I have got combination skin, if you don't know. I bought this for myself, but then I realized that this is not for combination skin. This is specifically for oily skin. If you think that I have got the most oily skin out there in the whole world, then this product is definitely for you, because it really absorbs the excess oil from your skin. So if you think that my face is the oily one, then definitely this product is for you. Now my mom is using it. She said that,
Oh my god, I'm not going to buy a new one. Let me take this because you're not using it anyways.
so this Lactocalamine is very good. Yeah, did I tell you the price? The price is rupees 75, which is very less, which is actually under rupees 100. And I think this bottle is you just take a teeny amount, like teeny amount, and you don't need to use much. So it will really go for like 3 months, 4 months, and you are all set. So you can definitely try this. This is the best. I have studied all the ingredients written, and kaolin clay, zinc oxide, glycerin, which are the best. Don't worry about that. And if you have got the most oily skin and you're looking for something which you think will reduce your oil, then definitely Lactocalamine daily face care lotion, oil balance, kaolin clay therapy, this full thing is definitely for you. There is one more for combination skin. It's slightly above rupees 100, but you can use that too. But if you have got the most oily skin, then you can definitely try this one. Okay, this one. This look good. Oh my god. Yeah, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is the next moisturizer. Specifically is Mamaearth oil free moisturizer with apple cider vinegar in it. Ingredient list is pretty, it's actually not bad, it's good. It does not contain very much toxic ingredients. So I checked the ingredient list. It's kind of good. The ingredient list says good things about itself. Basically I studied every ingredient and I didn't find much about those ingredients, so it's good. You can be safe from the ingredient list. Well, I'm not very sure about the Arcelate 30 copolymer one, so I actually studied it, but it's mentioned that when used under certain level, it's not very harmful. It's not harmful at all when under used under a certain level, and it's definitely not in the top of the list. So I can say that it's definitely not used that much, so you can be you don't have to worry about that. Moisturizes your skin. It pretty much does good for that less oily people with more combi skin. You know what I'm trying to say? Like if you have super oily skin, then you can go for that product. But if you have like less oily and more combi skin, then that product can be good for you if you're looking something for under rupees 100. That's a very tiny product, so it will not even last like 2 or 3 months. Let me say you the cons. Yeah, but it will definitely last for 1 month if you're too cautious about it, using it. So, and if you're using it for only just in the morning, and if you're using something for the night, then definitely it will last for 2 months. You like not 2 months, but yeah, 1.5 months for sure. Definitely moisturizes your skin. As I have already said, it's very good for the more like less oily and more combi skin. Yes, that is the moisturizer. It's pretty good. It does its job and it's good. So it has got great reviews, so you can definitely try that product out. Did I ever said you that less is better? If I have not, let me say you now, yes, less is better, because I only have these two products which I think they are the like best products that I found, which are under rupees 100. So yeah, this were the products that I actually found. Those are good and these are under rupees 100, trustable products basically. So you can go and definitely check them out. Anyways guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let people watch my video. Yeah, let people know about the skincare product, the best skincare product in every budget. Now if you really want, whenever in future you think that okay, I really want to buy something for, like, I want to buy a sunscreen, but I have this product. Okay, I have to do my research and I have to find that and you have to read the reviews and all. You don't have to worry about that. I'm there for it. I will do all the work of yours and I will bring out the best sunscreens after reviewing all the, not only sunscreen but every skincare products. After reading all the reviews, after checking all the ingredient list, those definitely you can rely on me and I will do your work. I started this channel because of it, and I'll do that do that actually. So yeah, if you want in your budget any skincare product, then definitely you can come and visit me again. And before you go, I will just request you to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and don't forget to give a like, and yeah, don't forget to comment, cause I actually reply to every comment, like every comment. Even if you say thank you, I say you're welcome, because I am those kind of people who talks to people. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying till the end. If you are here till the end, and if you're watching me right now, then thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video, definitely, which will be very soon. I hope so. Bye bye. Oh my god. Bye.